Enjoy the view of this 2020 Nissan Armada. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This serene and seriously strong Armada delivers full-size SUV mightiness and an effortlessly luxurious ride. Standard driver assist safety tech and touchscreen infotainment let you enjoy every adventure with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio. Don't compromise on comfort to get the capability you want. Get into this remarkable Armada. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.